making a really easy 4-ingredient protein ball. So all you need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Whey chocolate protein powder. You can use whey or vegan, whatever you prefer. We need 1 cup of pitted dates, so I'm just soaking them in hot water at the moment. We need about 1/3 cup of almond meal and 1 cup of peanut butter. So all you need to do to make this is first drain your dates, leave a little bit of water in there but not too much, and then you simply add everything into your food processor, process until well combined, roll into balls and then pop that in the fridge to set for about 1 hour.